This is gonna be my first Christmas look. I'm gonna try and do a snowman with rhinestones. We'll see. Yeah, it was so hard to draw the snowman with rhinestones. When I really draw, I put like rhinestones as a shape of a snowman, but I couldn't as hard. I should have probably outlined the eyeliner first, but I did it afterwards, and then I had to draw his eyes instead, and the little hat and the little head. And it's funny because I don't have a lot of eyelid space, so it looks kind of weird and doesn't fit. Maybe I redo it. I don't know, but this is my first Christmas look of this year. Like, I just had to do one. It's already November, I know, but I love Christmas, and I already started November, usually mid-November, or last year November 1st, or years before. But I'm slacking because there's a lot of brands sending me stuff October, and then this month, and then other stuff, so it's a lot. But yeah, I had to use this holiday palette. So yeah, this is my favorite little palette right now. Wow. And I'm already hitting pan. Well, not really, but I feel like it. So yeah, this basically concludes this look. I'm trying to do more makeup looks. I'm not doing as much as before, but bear with me, please. Be patient with me. It's not because I don't want to, or I'm trying. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions about the look, I didn't record my base, but just the eyes. But anyway, so yeah, or if you have any questions about PR, anything, not just makeup related, comment in the comments sections, or you just want to ask me about random stuff, I'm happy to answer you guys. So yeah, that's basically much it, and bye. Thanks for watching. Yeah, like, I haven't had the chance to support y'all's videos. I'm just gonna say it here instead of, like, you know, type it in the description box. So yeah, I'm slacking. I haven't had time to watch YouTube in general. I just edit, upload, okay, film, edit, upload film, edit, up. It's basically it. All the cycle. This couple months, it's been hard for me to catch up on videos or like watch other people's videos and support. It's kind of hard, and then that's why I'm not as active on TikTok anymore. It's hard to be active on 3 social media platforms. I don't know how do y'all do it, so I'm just like, it's hard. So I'm trying my best to be proactive on all the 3 social media channels, but I'm usually more active on Instagram, so follow me if y'all don't. To the new viewers here, because I know there's new people that watch me but they don't comment. I don't know who, but I just know because my views gotten up, so not a lot up, but compared to before it was like less than 10, you know. So welcome back to my channel if you're new, and yeah, just hit me up there on Instagram, follow me, you can talk to me there, or TikTok. I'm not as active on TikTok anymore. I'm trying, like I said, it's hard. I don't know how y'all do it. So content creators, oh my gosh. And you know, trying to be, you know, productive, proactive, everything. I'm trying so to end this year right, and then obviously I wanted to continue doing this till next year, and you know, other stuff, and let's see. So yeah, dang, it's already mid-November. Oh yeah, I need to do like a Thanksgiving look or something, or I don't know. I'm trying. I'm trying. So yeah, bye.